What's up everybody, back with another video. There is still some stuff left from my recent mini GT haul, and I promised to make a separate video about this Defender 110 from the Camel Trophy and these diecast figures. And today I do have some time, so let's get right into it. And we start the unboxing with this one here, which is the Land Rover Defender 110, 1989 Camel Trophy Amazon Team France, and it's number 463. So let's get our trusty Swiss Army knife, cut the plastic wrapping. So I do own several versions of this Defender 110, but I definitely wanted to have this version because I only got the weathered version of this Defender. So this one's a little different, but I wanted to have, let's say, stock or clean version. I'll show you the weathered version in a second. So here we go. Today we do our unboxing without the rotator because I want to show you the figures. So here we are. I mean, this is a model, normally it's a little bit more expensive than other mini GT models because it's a little bit bigger and you have a lot of details on it. So let's take a look. First of all, we got some Camel Trophy deco here on the side. We got two names of the team. I guess we see the flag of France. And look at all these details. We got the winch in the front, spare tire on the hood, the flag, and look right here. The shovel, got these auxiliary lights here on top, Camel Trophy once again. We got these little steps here on the side. You gotta be, I'm trying to be careful not to break anything. This is the back side, more flags, another spare tire. We got a ladder and a trailer hitch. This is the roof rack, another spare tire, and we see some boxes, jerry cans, and more boxes. And then we do have these metal plates. These, I guess, are for when you are stuck in the sand or in the mud so that you get out again. Yeah, it's hard to see some interior. But as far as I see, it's a right-hand drive. So definitely a really, really cool model. As I mentioned in the beginning, they did a lot of versions of this model. So here's another version. As you can see, seems like this is from the British team. And this is the weathered version. Also pretty cool. I mean, look at all. I have to be very careful that I don't break anything. So this we got even more stuff here on the roof. I mean, these are really, really cool and detailed 1/64 scale models. Before we get to the figures, let me show some other versions. I do own more, but I only got two more from the display. We got this one in this army deco. As you can see, we do have a different roof rack. We don't have any leather on the back, and the front also comes with some different details. I'm not really sure if it's the version from the Malaysian army. But whatever. Then we got this one here. I think it's pretty hard to get. Same model in shell deco, which is also pretty cool in my opinion. So let's put these to the side and Now that we got these two right here, I would say let's get to the figures. As you can see, we got 7 diecast figures, the Camel Trophy crew. So let's open the box and take a quick look at them. So here we go. Oh, still close. So let's start with this guy here. I hope we can focus. As you can see, coming with a backpack and a camera, shooting photos of the team. So this one does look very good. So now the interesting thing is, can he stand on its own? And yes, he can. That is really good. Then here's another guy in shorts, looking very cool with the black hair. Seems to have some dirt on the shoulder. So yeah, I guess this guy place him here on the hood. Then use another one. Blonde guy with the long trousers and some gloves on. Looks a little bit skeptic. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Can also stand on its own. Sometimes, you know, they do fall over. But here, I left it in the packaging. They do come with these stickers, so you can glue them onto the ground if they do fall. Then you have the, it's kind of hard to get them out. And we do have this guy here with the 6-pack, no shirt on, short trousers and the hat. Coolest guy of the whole crew. Let's place this one right in between. What else do we have? So this guy here, he seems to have a bandana on, also pretty cool. Let's try to put him also on the hood. So then we have this one. I think this one is kind of checking the tires or something. We have to test that. So let's pretend he's checking something on the front. Oh. Or he's looking under the car. I guess like that. And the last one is this one here. I don't know if this one seems it's not so slim as the other guys. So maybe this is the team captain. Doesn't have to work anymore. Team manager or something like that. So here we go. Yeah. Once again, a pretty nice model. Let's check if this one is a roller. Yeah, it does roll, but I have to say it doesn't roll very good. But yeah, I put it on display anyway, so not that bad at all. There we are. This is the end of the video. Normally I do pick a favorite, but in this case it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, Happy hunting, see you next time. Bye.